That's pretty good, right? Keep going.
Look. Teenage brothers.
That's okay.
Butter. What the? I'm gonna eat a lot of pieces out.
No, not all at the same time. You can hold one piece of bread out, see if they'll take the whole piece from you. Wait, just hold it there.
It almost got it. It was the wind. I just wanted to get it. I just don't want to do that.
Okay, if you're just going to throw it, you need to tear them.
Tear them.
Uh-huh.
Damn. Woohoo! Got a million pieces. Little tiny.